What was your first impression of the Thank You robot when you saw it?
I thought it was very refined. It seemed like it was well thought out. You know, the complete equipment spread, you know, was very well done, well put together. I know a lot on these job sites, you know, you don't always have a large footprint, so it does always help to have, you know, a compact setup, which is, you know, Qlayers did a great job of. I think the benefits that any robotics, and especially this robot, helps is, you know, the constraints we currently have with labor force, you know, that we're all experiencing here in the U.S. You know, you're removing personnel from the job site, so it definitely helps in that aspect first off. In the long run, I think that you'll have the opportunity to cover more projects each year because you're able to get them done faster and cheaper, which I know is always the end game of a robot in general. But yeah, I think that's the two big ones.